要去哪里？等等见哦。大家好，我是迪卡。今天我们来到比利时最有名的公园。没错，我长了3颗痘痘，请忽略它们。We are here practicing Sun Salutation B. It's only slightly different from Sun Salutation A. One more chair pose, Utkatasana, and one more warrior one, Virajasana 1A. Okay, so I'm going to show you the breakdown, some proper alignments, and link breaths with motion, of course. And you're going to link A and B all together at the end of our practice. I hope you enjoy the practice and please ignore the people at the background. And enjoy the sunny day. Start from the chair pose to option for your feet. Keep hip width distance or big toes touching. Bend your knee and sit down nice and deep here. Inhale, lift your arms up. Hug knees together, wrap triceps under. Draw shoulder blades down and back towards midline. So 2 options here for your hands. You can separate or join hand palms together. Make sure to rotate your triceps inward. Avoid the lower back sway. Bend your knees, inhale, arms up. Tuck your tailbone in and contract your belly. You can look straight forward or find your gaze up. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, half lift, keep your spine long. Hands are mat, you can rock or drum your feet back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, find your upper facing dog, opening your chest. And exhale, downward facing dog. We'll keep moving on here. Send your right foot forward. Inhale, lift your arms up. And exhale, hands down and step back your back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upper facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. We are not hanging out. Straight into the other side. Left foot forward. Inhale, arms up. Let's take a look at warrior one. This is very important to understand. When you are standing on your mat, there are 4 points of your foot should be touching on the mat. When you're standing in warrior one posture, your front foot has to press down big toe mount, so you can make sure your front foot strongly grounded, as well as your back foot. Make sure to press down into your outer heel to engage whole back leg for super strong base. Your knee over your ankle 90 degrees here. If you're not able to press back heel down, feel free to stay off the mat. Square your hips, tailbone tuck under. Gaze soft. Make sure your neck is comfortable. Left foot step back. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Exhale, bend your knees, step or hop forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees, sit down nice and low. Inhale, arms up, chair pose. Belly in. Sit down lower. And exhale, back to standing, Samasthiti. It's a beautiful foundational sequence to revisit. Let's link A and B all together. Inhale, arms up to the sky. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift, spine long. Exhale, hands on your mat, step back. Feel free to drop your knees down. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, find your upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Keep moving on here. Next, exhale, step forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms up, look up. And exhale, Samasthiti. Let's build some more fire on Sun Salutation B. Find your chair here. And sit down nice and low. Inhale, arms up, knees squeeze together, weight in the heels. Avoid the lower back sway. Keep your spine straight. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, flat back, spine long. Hands on mat, jump your feet back. Exhale, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right foot step forward, inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to max step back. Chaturanga, inhale, upward facing dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left foot forward, inhale, arms up. Strong legs, belly in. Exhale, step back. Chaturanga, lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Keep going in your practice. You can stop 5 breaths here. Exhale, bend your knees and hop forward. Inhale, slowly look forward, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Sit down once again. Inhale, arms up, chair pose. Belly in. And slowly exhale, Samasthiti, mountain pose. Hydrate yourself, drink plenty of water. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, please leave the comments below. 谢谢大家的支持。如果你喜欢我的影片，请帮我按赞、订阅、分享给你的朋友。那我们下周2见喽 ！See you on the next episode on Tuesday. Stay healthy, stay consistent, and stay home. I'm going home right now. 刚刚来的时候大概22度吧，但现在感觉降了7、8度，有点冷。不过已经8点了，然后现在太阳感觉才要下山。我们下礼拜见。